Welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm introducing our newest products, CW146. And let's take a look at the overall sizes. The overall length will be 24 inches. And the depth will be 22 inches. And the overall height will be 34 and 1/4 inches. And let's take a look at the back side. As you can see, they have a sliding door at the behind and controller right here, switching right here, using the 110 US standard plugs. We're having the exhaust fan at the behind, have the covers on top of it, and also have the standard stickers on the side. They have an EPL sanitation approval on it. And let me give you the measurement for the inside. The inner side will be 21.5 inches in the width, 17 inches in the depth, and the height around like 26.5 inches. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, just contact with us for more details. Thank you.